What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Jasmy, and as you guys can see it has hit a green candlestick today and it is up just over 12% in the last 24 hours and currently valued at 0.038 cents guys. So heading back closer to the 4 cents target. What is next for Jasmy? Is this the breaking out point? Is it going to recover? As you guys can see, over the last week or two it has been hitting red candles and dropping in value, and that was predicted when it was pumping like crazy earlier on in May and early June as well. So earlier this month I did expect it to take a slight dip, going for a price correction, which it did take, and right now it's slowly starting to recover, heading back up in value. So we're going to be going through what is next for Jasmy over the short term and long term, and from both buyers and sellers point of view, what is the best option right now. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart, and we do have the Fibonacci scale on the screen right now. So even though Jasmy has hit red candles, it was still trading in the top tier level, and that's something I also mentioned. I'm not expecting it to hit down the blue zone anytime soon, even if it hit red candles, and that is exactly what's happened. But right now, over the coming week or two, so towards by end of June, I'm expecting Jasmy to be hitting a new all-time high, heading above where it was trading at about just about 10 days ago, where it's pumping like crazy. And yes, has taken a dip, but I'm expecting it to head higher than where it was before. But for now, let me hide this and bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Jasmy, which is here in purple, and the actual value of Jasmy is at a slightly higher value here in red, meaning it is performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning gains in value are expected from Jasmy over the next 12 to 14 hours. So in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, the crypto should essentially be getting closer to the 4 cents target. So it is likely to be a minimal increase in value, nothing too crazy, but heading closer to the 4 cents target is where I'm expecting Jasmy to be heading to over the next 12 to 24 hours. Moving on to the hourly chart, over the next couple of days, again we are still looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. So over the next 7 to 8 days, towards the end of next week, I'm expecting Jasmy to once again be heading upwards, and at this point it should be trading at a much higher value than where it is at the moment, and should essentially have gone past the 4 cents target and getting closer to hitting a new all-time high is what my expectations are at the moment. However, as usual, do expect the odd red days in between where it's likely to take the odd dip, but what matters is the overall outcome, which at this point, once again, I'm expecting it to keep hitting green candles, heading upwards and trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment. But again guys, it is cryptocurrency, and that is why I try and keep you guys updated on a daily basis on the crypto market in general. If there are any major updates or news that come across that can have a potential impact on the value of the crypto market. So guys, make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks we are not looking too great. We do have the orange line looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and so is the blue line as well. Part of the reason why it's looking quite bearish is because of the drop that's taking place over the last week or two. However, from the analysis and predictions that I have done over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so early to mid August, I am expecting Jasmy to be trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment, and heading past the 7 cents target is where I'm expecting it to be trading at in August. Reason being is I'm expecting the crypto market in general to be heading upwards, hitting green candles, and as mentioned quite a few times in my previous updates, I'm expecting Bitcoin to be hitting a new all-time high by mid to late August, which should have a major positive impact on the crypto market, and we should be seeing the crypto market heading upwards towards the bullish direction. And essentially $100,000 for Bitcoin towards the very end of the year and early next year is what my current predictions are. But again, we still got time for that, and of course there will be plenty of updates before that takes place as well. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we are currently trading in the top tier level here. There is not much to say here. I'm expecting it to head upwards from here, and I'm not expecting it to head down to the blue zone anytime soon, unless we see a crypto crash, which I'm not predicting at the moment. But if I am, I will of course let you guys know as soon as possible. But at the moment, I'm expecting Jasmy to stay in the top tier level over the coming weeks and months as well. So heading back into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 80% in the last 24 hours, making it over $177 million in trading, guys, which is again a huge increase in trading. Reason is, of course, it's pumped up quite a bit earlier on today, and especially right now it's pumping up even higher. So a lot more people have been trading the crypto from both buyers and sellers points of view, and in return the value of Jasmy has also been increasing. Over the week, even though it has pumped up over 12%, it is still down 1%, well, no, about 2% over the last week due to the major drops that have been taking place. And over the month, it is up 91%. We did see quite of a huge increase here in May and early June as well, all up until about 10 days ago where it started heading downwards. So this is my prediction on Jasmy, guys, and yes, I'm expecting it to essentially break out over the coming months, hitting 7-8 cents. Let me know in the comment section down below, are you guys expecting Jasmy to break out, or are you expecting it to keep dropping in value? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.